Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to clean the ink cartridges in a HP Envy Photo 6230. Now this is nice and simple, you can do it from the printer without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. So to get started we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already on this screen, just press the home button found on the top left hand side to be taken here. So to get started we go into setup, then we go into tools, and here we have clean cartridges. Now, this is ideal for troubleshooting print quality issues where there is missing colours or striped prints running like horizontally across the page, as these are most likely down to either dried or congealed ink found on the printer cartridges that's preventing you from getting that perfect quality of print. If, however, you're getting like smears and bits running down the page, you probably want to go for the clean page smears, as that's likely to be caused by like residual ink inside the printer like dragging on the page and causing those issues. So, we're going to clean cartridges, and your printer will automatically begin the process. You'll hear lots of clicks and whirring coming from the printer as it's pushing ink through the printer's printhead, the cartridge's printhead, hopefully dislodging any of that dried or congealed ink we mentioned earlier. Now if we give the printer just a minute, it'll go through the process of cleaning and eventually automatically print a print quality diagnostic, which hopefully looks better than this. I have the colours missing, but it should be closer to the one you can see on screen with cyan, magenta, yellow and the black as you would expect. And using these four colours, you should hopefully be able to get a good idea where the issue lies with your printer. And if we take a look back at the screen, you can see your printer's automatically taking you to the point where it's offering to do a second level of cleaning for you, so you can hopefully dislodge any really stubborn ink just by pressing yes and continuing in this way. And from here you can persevere by doing cleans and test pages until you see an improvement in your print quality. And if you've done several to no avail, you can always change the ink cartridges, as on this particular printer ink comes directly from the cartridge's printhead, so any print quality issues, no matter how stubborn, should be temporary. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.